You might have been around welders or guys talking about welding. You might have heard them say that you don't want to run a welding machine with one of them little gas engines in it. Those ain't no good. You might have heard somebody say, oh, you can't weld that with 60-10, it won't hold. Or you got to run 70-18 or that'll break. You got to weld that uphill. You can't weld downhill. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to take my Miller Trailblazer here that's on the Super Service truck. I'm going to take his 1/2-inch thick pad eye. I'm going to weld it on that steel dumpster that's being held down with the shyster right there. And then we're going to do a little West Virginia welding test. Stay tuned. .532 60-10. Run downhill. Miller Trailblazer 302 on the Super Service truck. How much better than that would you want your weld to hold?